Hello, trading is closed on March 23rd, 2016. Yesterday I said I was looking for lower prices with a minimum target of 2045.51. We got that. You can see that was a resistance level. We also hit a target from March 17th, 2037.15, and you'll see how that was a reasonable support level. During the day, MEJT said ultimately lower prices would print. When it started down, it said it was a false move and that we would hit this level, which we did. There was resistance there and then we dropped. I don't have any new MEJT targets for tomorrow. Well, this is a pattern we've seen previously. There's a straight line drop and then there's a slanting move going down. Usually this isn't a sustainable pattern and usually this low holds and you get a recovery. Many times you'll get an inverted, a diamond on stilts. We still have the combo sell on the half-day chart. We haven't printed bar number 13 based on the close, only based on the early print of the bar. Nothing requires us to go to completion with this pattern, but when you come this close, usually you do. Here's the daily chart. I've been waiting for number 13 of the combo sell. Doesn't have to print. Pattern doesn't have to go to completion, but when you have a rally as strong as this, I think it happens a high percentage of the time. Well, here's your megaphone pattern, and we've undercut all these lows. The standard rule about the megaphone is it's a very negative pattern and you keep on dropping. My personal experience is it's very hard to take out the low, and usually this low holds. The low is also a retest of this prior low, and it's also a Fibonacci retracement of the whole rally from the Ides of March. Here's a daily chart. This drop here, signal confirmation that the bull party was over. Based on someone else's work, it generates support and resistance levels, one of which is right at this low. So for tomorrow, I think a lot depends on whether this low holds. We've had a drop right down to the low with a pattern that typically is not sustainable. After gapping down and dropping all day, we haven't been able to take out the middle of the day lows, and unless this low falls early, ideally by gapping under it, I think we're due for a recovery tomorrow. But if this low falls, then we've fallen through resistance with all that that implies. Once again, if it doesn't drop early, I don't think it's going to happen. And that's today's call.